In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, click on it, remove widget, and then select remove in the second one. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Pro tip: if you want to restore it, pinch your device's display and access widgets by clicking on this section at the bottom, between icons and layout. Now find Google app and hold search bar under it. Place it on your screen, let go, and hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!